Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to improve your Palmon's status in Palmon Survival, then the first thing to do is to open the Palmon Survival game on your device. Now, the next thing to do is to go to the Palmon option at the bottom left, tap on it, and you'll be taken to this Palmon roster. Now, the first thing you want to do is to level up your main Palmon. This is the most basic way to increase stats. Go ahead and select the Palmon, your main Palmon, and once you do, click on the upgrade button. If you have enough resources, then you'll be able to upgrade your Palmon easily. After you upgrade them, you'll be able to increase the HP, defense, or attacks. Higher you upgrade your Palmon's level, the higher and better HP, ATK, or defense. Another thing you can do is to combine two Palmon to create stronger offsprings. In order to do that, from the Palmon page, go ahead and tap on this little button at the top right, and this will open the swap traits option. If you've got any Palmon of similar type, then you'll be able to see it right here. Just select the Palmon you want to swap traits on and tap on confirm. Once you do that, the traits can significantly change attack, defense, or utility stats. You can also equip better gear if you've got. You can equip weapons, armors, or stat items. Now, click on this little green arrow and you can also tap on Ascend if you've got enough Palmon tokens. If you want fast progress, then go ahead and select one of the Palmon and then upgrade its level first. Give it the best gears or equipments if you've got one. Since I don't have any equipment, I'm not able to show you that. But if you come to this page, you'll see this equip all button. If you've got enough resources, you can equip your one main Palmon, give it the best gears, and support it with one tank or one healer. And this approach is the fastest way to increase total power of the Palmon. And that's how you can easily focus on leveling, star upgrades, traits, gears, and skills together, and your Palmon will become much stronger very quickly in Palmon Survival. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.